what happened today. I'm so excited to do this mentoring with Sir Gary.
Alex. Alex. What are you doing? Ay.
She actually gave me this bracelet that was from my great grandma.
Wow, I'm fortunate enough to receive this necklace as just a reminder and testament to just the trust that they're able to put into me with journaling.
So for the second performance, we chose the song "Shallow" by Lady Gaga.